Okay.
Hi,
Yep, it's
ready?
rolling. Yep,
Okay,
it's rolling.
I'm Alan Bernstein, and I am part of a new company called the Aquaponics Source, and we are providing aquaponics home systems, and we're standing right next to one. I'm going to give you a little tour of the system so you know what I'm talking about when I talk about science opportunities. Let's start down below with the fish tank. This is a 60-gallon fish tank. There are tilapia in the tank right now. Probably they won't show up too well on the video camera, but maybe they will.
I think they're hiding.
Yeah, they like the shade.
Yeah.
And there's also a pump in this system.
So I see them actually. They're actually, I can
Great.
try to grab them. Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay, and the pump is on this side?
The pump is down in the corner here. I don't think you'll be able to see it. It's
okay.
Dark in there. So what happens is the fish are living in this tank, and the water periodically is pumped up through this black pipe into the grow bed, which is sitting up above. Right now the system's actually running. The pump is on, and water is flowing right now into this grow bed, which is filled with this inert clay material called Hydrotin. That's the brand name.
And tell us the advantage of that, using that grow medium.
There has to be some grow media in here. One alternative would be pebbles. The pebbles work, but they're very heavy compared to this expanded baked clay. And another advantage of this clay is it soaks up water when the water comes in and then releases it when it goes out. And third, when you're planting or working on the plants, this is easy on your hands. You can bury your hands easily into this with no abrasion. In pebbles, that's not true.
Oh, so yes, you don't want to be in pain while you're farming.
This is true.
That's what farmers are, in a great deal of pain. We're trying to minimize that.
So right now the water is in the grow bed. The plants are drawing the water up through their roots, and they're capturing the nutrients that are in the water, which are a result of the fish waste traveling up through the water into the grow bed, and then the bacteria that are living in the media consume the waste and produce the best fish food, the best plant food that you can ever find. In exchange, when the pump turns off and the water drains back down into the fish tank, the plants have purified the water. So the water returns back to the fish tank quite clean, and the fish live their full natural life in the fish tank with no ill effects from their own waste. And that's, in a very brief way, basically how the system works.
And so explain then what makes that totally organic, because that's one of the questions that everyone asks, is this organic? Because people don't understand what might be introduced that might make it not organic in the hydroponic scenario, where the fish are not present.
That's a great question. In this system, I'll come to hydroponics in just a second. In this system, the only human input is feeding the fish. And we are very careful about our choice of fish food, which, by the way, we supplement with greens that we clip off from the grow bed and just throw back into the fish tank, and they love that. But we are careful about what fish food we use, and in fact, we're constantly looking for better and better sources. But we found we have organic fish food, and so the cycle, the only external input is the fish food. The rest of it's completely organic. We put nothing else into the fish tank. Like, for example, antibiotics would damage the plant, so we not only don't want to, but we can't. And on the other side, we don't fertilize the plants with anything other than the natural food from the fish. And if we did, that fertilizer would end up in the fish water and hurt the fish. So we can't feed the plants that way. We also don't spray the plants with anything. We don't need to. There are no weeds in the system, so you don't need anything to kill weeds. And in addition, if you did put anything in here to kill plants or to kill bugs, it would go into the water and hurt the fish. So we don't want to put anything in, and we can't put anything in.
Fantastic. So where could we learn more about this system? Tell us your website.
The website is theaquaponicsource.com. That's all one word. The aquaponic source, no dashes, no dots, no underscores. And there's a section on the website called Learn. If you click on that, you'll find all sorts of information right there and links to more.
And for the information of folks as to why I am videoing this, my name is Marion Murphy, and I'm a member of the executive team of Grow Your Own Meal, which is building a non-profit aquaponic food production facility in partnership with the City of Longmont in Colorado to demonstrate that we can grow fish and vegetables year-round in a cold and hot, because we're both of those, climate. And you will learn more by watching more of our videos. Thank you.